The while statement. The while statement executes a set of statements repeatedly until the logical expression evaluates to true. When the condition becomes false, the control comes out of the loop. The syntax of while statement is given below. Syntax: while, test expression, statements. Test expression, false, true, execute while block. Program 5. To demonstrate the use of a while loop, you will get the following output. The while loop using else statement. Python enables the use of else statement with the while loop. The else block is executed when the condition given in the while statement becomes false. Program 6. To demonstrate the use of while loop with else statement. On running the above program, we get the following output.